Experiencing microphone issues on your Samsung Galaxy Watch? You're not alone. Common reasons include software glitches, app permission problems, hardware damage from dust or water, Bluetooth connectivity issues, or even environmental factors like background noise. Newer watches like the Galaxy Watch 6 and 7 have fewer issues thanks to recent updates, but older models can still struggle. One common cause is software glitches. Bugs in the One UI Watch operating system can interfere with microphone functionality, causing it to stop working during calls or voice commands. Another issue is app permission problems. Voice assistants like Bixby or apps requiring microphone access might not have the necessary permissions enabled in the watch or paired phone settings. Hardware damage from dust accumulation or water exposure is a frequent culprit. The microphone sensor near the speaker grill can become blocked or malfunction if exposed to moisture or debris. Bluetooth connectivity issues can also affect the microphone. A weak or unstable connection between the watch and paired device might cause audio problems during voice calls or data transmission. Finally, environmental factors like excessive background noise or a low battery level can impact microphone quality. These conditions make it harder for the watch to pick up clear audio signals. It's worth noting that newer Samsung Galaxy Watch models, such as the Galaxy Watch 6 and 7, experience fewer microphone issues due to firmware updates and improved hardware. However, older models from previous generations may continue to face these challenges. First, try a simple restart. Hold the side button on your Samsung Galaxy Watch for 10 seconds to refresh the system and clear temporary glitches. If the restart doesn't resolve the issue, check app permissions on your phone. Go to Settings, then Apps, select Galaxy Wearable, and ensure microphone permissions are allowed. Finally, on your watch, navigate to Settings, then Advanced Features, and make sure Voice Wake Up is enabled for microphone functionality. Software updates are essential for fixing microphone issues on your Galaxy Watch. Updates often include specific fixes for mic-related bugs that affect voice calls and assistants. First, open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. This app manages your watch's settings and updates. Next, go to your watch settings in the app and select Software Update to check for and install any available updates. For example, the October 2025 update, SMR A70, improved microphone performance by fixing bugs in Bluetooth calls and voice detection. These updates include better noise cancellation algorithms. Remember, keeping your Galaxy Watch current with the latest software is crucial for fixing microphone bugs and ensuring reliable performance. First, inspect the microphone port, which is usually located near the speaker grill, for any dust or debris that might be blocking it. To clean it, use a soft brush or compressed air. Gently remove any buildup without applying too much force. If your watch has been exposed to water, dry it thoroughly using a soft cloth or by placing it in a dry environment. Wait at least 24 hours before testing the microphone. Water damage is a common cause of hardware failure in smartwatches. A weak Bluetooth connection can affect microphone performance during calls. Try unpairing and repairing your watch in the Galaxy Wearable app. You can also toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. If all else fails, a factory reset can resolve persistent software glitches. Back up your data first. Then, on your watch, go to Settings, General, Reset, Factory Data Reset. This will wipe your watch and restore it to its original state. Remember to repair it with your phone afterwards. If you've tried all the software fixes like restarting your watch, checking permissions, updating firmware, troubleshooting Bluetooth, or even performing a factory reset, and the microphone still isn't working, you may have a hardware problem. Hardware issues can include dust or debris blocking the microphone, water damage from exposure to liquids, physical damage from drops or impacts, or manufacturing defects in the microphone sensor. About 20% of reported microphone problems are hardware related. For dust or debris, try gently cleaning with a soft brush or compressed air. For water exposure, dry the watch thoroughly and wait 24 hours before testing. If the issue persists, it's time to contact Samsung support. Reach out through the Galaxy Wearable app, Samsung's website, or visit a Samsung store for professional repair or replacement. Especially if your watch is still under warranty, physical damage or manufacturing defects are often covered at no cost to you. Looking ahead to the future of Samsung Galaxy watches, expect to see advanced AI driven voice features that make interactions more intuitive and responsive. One key advancement will be improved microphones with superior noise reduction, allowing clearer voice capture even in noisy environments. Trends point towards beamforming microphones, much like those in modern smartphones, which focus on capturing sound from specific directions for clearer, more professional call quality. Expect deeper AI integration that will automatically identify and fix software bugs, leading to more reliable voice features and fewer microphone issues over time. To take advantage of these future improvements, consider investing in newer Galaxy Watch models. This ensures you get the latest technology for better longevity and access to all these advancements in AI and microphone technology.